Twister is a fun party game for 3 to 4 players, where players have to place their hands and feet on different colored spaces without falling over. To play, first spread out the Twister mat on the floor. Then choose one person to be the referee for that round and give them the Twister spinner. The rest of the players take off their shoes and stand at different edges of the mat. The referee spins the needle on the spinner and calls out whatever it lands on, and each player must move to a vacant circle in a corresponding color. For example, if the needle lands on a red circle in the left foot section of the spinner, all players must place their left foot on a red circle. If the needle lands on a yellow circle in the right-hand section, each player must place their right hand on a yellow circle. The referee continues spinning the needle and calling out spaces for the players to move to. If a player touches the mat with their elbow or knee or falls over, they're out. Whoever is the last one left on the mat wins the game.